This is the Foxtrot2R from Sig Sauer. I unfortunately jumped the gun and went ahead and unboxed it without recording it, but got everything installed. It comes out the box ready to go if you have a Sig with a Picatinny rail. So we're just going to go ahead and drop that on here now. So again, this is the P365. This started off as an XMacro. I bought a P365 Firearm, the full Firearm, instead of just getting the FCU. FCU was like $400 or $325, I think, actually, and the full P365 with all the extra parts I would need, which included the recoil spring and the slide, the most important part, would have put me well above $500, but I got the whole gun for $500. So this again started off as the P365 XMacro. This is the Sharps Bros grip module. Again, P365, this is a standard 3.1. This is the small one on an XMacro frame with a Radian Afterburner and barrel in there. So, empty mag. So this is a 365 at this point with the Radian Afterburner and Ramjet. Comes in at 25.5 ounces with an empty mag. Now we'll go ahead and throw this guy back on. This guy back on. .23. So it's out the box, set up to go. Hold down, it comes off. If you push up, it will stay on. Push back up or down, it'll disconnect. Had this sitting around for about a month. So this came in the mail like this, but when I took it out of the Amazon box, this is literally how it came. And I've been reading a bunch of reviews online warning about items purchased on Amazon. But see, I have not opened it, so literally this is the way it's come out of the box. Instructions. Looks like batteries and some internal theft issues. Silica, and then there's the actual red dots. So this is the enclosed version. This is the Romeo-X enclosed compact. And let's go through what comes in the bag. Battery. Screws. More screws. Tools. And there's 6 screws. 3 different bag screws, and I guess it'd be worthwhile to up here that, and we're going to find out probably the hard way which ones mine uses. So again, that. These up here actually. That's it. It's in there. One battery, tools. And here we go. So again, I purchased this thing about 2 months ago, and this is the first time I've opened it. And so most likely I will have no opportunity for a return from Amazon. Hopefully this is authentic. Hopefully it works. As you see there, assembled in the USA. It's got all these, see there, glass this side, glass on that side. I don't even remember which model this is. I think this is a 3 MOA. So let's see what it takes to get this on this guy. Again, nothing in mag. We'll go ahead and move that. That guy out. That's just staying in there. Actually, it's going to be a little wonky. I'm not taking that out. Get this block out. And let's make sure you guys can see what I'm doing here. Obviously, we're going to T10. Tiny screw to the side. Screw number 2. Those 2 screws up there. And we'll remove the optics plate. So, where is the optics plate? Optic. I'm imagining, once I take this off, I need to take off this guy here, which of course they don't supply any tools for that, but this is where the battery is held, I imagine. It is finger tight. Yeah, there's that. There's that. Put this here for now. What I'll actually do is we'll just put this back on. We'll install the battery after the fact, because I don't want it on when I'm installing it. So just finger tight that, because that's pretty much how it was. We'll go ahead and place the optic on here. It's an exact fit. M4 9.75 and an 8.75. So you have 1 millimeter difference between one and the other. Off again. Yeah, that's how that came from factory, or from the box. I'm not going to say from factory because you just never know anymore. It says to put the positive side up. Close this guy up. I do not know how I'm going to tighten this because it did not come with anything. And I do not want to scratch it. So let's make some decisions here. As far as I'm getting hand tightened. Very bright. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that in there. Regardless. Right. So that side looks from front. And there's the side. Back. It's super bright. Nice. That. Quick recap on everything we did here today. This firearm is featuring a Sharps Bros aluminum grip module for the P365 XMacro. It's all aluminum and it has gas pedals on both sides. Show you here some close-ups of those gas pedals. Nice addition. Will definitely help with the recoil. We also added today the Foxtrot2R. So this is the Sig Foxtrot2R. And then we added the Romeo-X enclosed red dot. All in all, very happy with this. Thanks for watching.